Everyone, welcome back to Timeless Tales. Today we're exploring one of the most fascinating topics, the Great Wall of China, a marvel of engineering and history. Welcome to the Great Wall of China, one of the most impressive architectural achievements in history. Stretching over 4,000 miles, this ancient series of fortifications is a testament to the ingenuity and labor of the Chinese people. The Great Wall was built over several centuries to protect the Chinese Empire from invading armies. From the Qin dynasty to the Ming dynasty, each ruler contributed to the wall's construction, using local materials and innovative techniques. The wall's construction is a marvel of engineering. Watch as we explore how the Chinese built this massive structure, using stone, brick, and rammed earth to create a barrier that would last centuries. The Great Wall is more than just a barrier. It's a series of watchtowers and fortresses that allowed soldiers to monitor and defend the empire's borders. Today, the Great Wall of China is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world. It's a symbol of Chinese history and culture, and a reminder of the ingenuity and determination of the people who built it. That's it for our journey to the Great Wall of China. Join us next time as we explore more of history's secrets and marvels. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more history and travel content.